excited to be here.
I'm so happy to have you guys here. Welcome to my home. Follow me. Let me show you around.
So what's your favorite cozy corner at home?
This right here makes me feel very comfortable and snuggly. This is where I like to have my morning chai as well. I can watch the TV. The sun is coming from outside. I just love sitting here.
Can you describe your dream home in 3 words?
My dream home. Cozy, full of plants and greenery, and minimalistic. Maybe I live in my dream home. Didn't I just describe my own house?
So are you a morning person or a night owl?
Complete morning person. In fact, I love waking up even before sunrise. I love the peace and quiet. I hate stepping out at night. If you're my friend, you know, never ever invite me for dinner. Breakfast only.
What's your favorite aroma these days?
I'm actually conflicted between two. I love tea tree oil and the way it smells and feels. I also love lavender oil. Both of these really calm my anxiety and make me feel like I'm at home wherever I take them.
Do you have a go-to comfort food you love at home?
I love rajma chawal with dahi, and my mouth is already watering. A little bit of ghee, achar and papad. Oh.
So rajma chawal or kadai paneer?
Tough one. Kadai paneer if I'm coming back after a long shoot, and rajma chawal if I'm coming back after a short shoot.
So what are you reading?
Letters to a Young Poet by Rhea Chakraborty. Love this book.
Do you have a home hack that you really swear by?
I love my home always smelling really good and smelling like home, so you can maybe like put out a little bit of camphor or use a lovely diffuser and add some tea tree oil or lavender oil, and everywhere you go, if you carry that scent with you, it feels like home.
And here's a little something from Vaaree.
Thank you so much.
So here's my favorite question to you. What makes your home your home?
What makes my home home is where my mother is. Where my mother's art is, where my maa ka ghar ka khana is, also where my dad and my brother also live. And most importantly, where I can do